How to create a album in the Gallery app of your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone, as well as how to rename the album if you need to, and how to hide it away from the public view eye. You'll first want to go into the Gallery app, which is your Samsung Gallery app, and we're using this one here. Now, once you're here, let's just say there are some photos and videos that you taken from the camera app itself. And it can be from any other photos too. It doesn't have to be the camera itself. And you want to move them into another album or copy them into another album. So go ahead and find the first one that you want to move. So maybe you want to move this one here, hold it down like that. You're going to long press it and you'll notice the option to select more than one will now show up for you. So maybe you want this one, and perhaps this one here. Now that you've done that, it'll tell you how much you've selected, and this can be for photos and videos together. You'll look down to the bottom, you'll see where it says more. When you tap on this, you will see the option to either copy to album or move to album. Now, copy is basically taking a copy of what's there and copying it to either another album if you choose so, or create a album, which is what we're going to do. If you move it, you're taking it from the camera section into that new album that you've created, or if you move it to another album, okay? So we're just gonna copy it for now. And when you do this, you'll see that there is now an option to select another album that you can move it or copy it into, or create it. We're gonna go to create. When you select create, you'll see this pop up here. And I'm just gonna call this just like don't delete or something like that, okay? Let's just say I'll call it like that. So this is my new album, that's how I'm naming it, and I'll create it, and it's copying it. If it's moving, it's gonna move from here, from the camera section, and then it'll show you that it's moved to that new album. So this is the new album you've created. Now let's just say that you have created your album, and you realize that the name is something you don't like. You wanna change the name of it. So you'll go ahead and find the album, make sure you're in the album section, long press it. And when you do this, it'll show it's selected and you'll see that there is these options again. So go to where it says more and you'll see rename. As you go there, you can now change it. So maybe you want to say just save, or just save me, okay? Just save me. Let's just say that, all right? And now it's going to rename it and have it set to save me, all right? Now, once you're done with all these moving and changes, you want to now hide this album from the public view. You don't want anybody to go into your gallery app and see it. So what you're going to do is go to the view all option right here. When you do this, you will see these three dots again, and this time it's a different set of options. So tap on it and you'll see hide albums. Once you do this, it'll take you here to all the albums that you can hide. You cannot hide the one for camera or screenshots, but you can hide anything else that you've created. So this is the one you want to hide, this one here, save me, or the one you created. You'll turn it on, and when you turn it on and you come out, you'll notice now it's no longer there. And in order to go back and view that album, you'll come back here, hide albums, turn this off, and see it again. Like and sub.